The mountain is muy bueno. How you guys feeling?
Great, brother.
Today?
Feeling good, feeling great.
Feeling great? Alright guys, we did it. Met up with DJ. We're active at Crystal.
It feels like it shows the F-22 Raptors fucking
Oh shit!
cannon.
Yeah! Cutting up. Oh shit! You know, you took me the fuck out, bro. Yeah. I just died, but I got back up. It's cool.
I'll be waiting on the end of the line. All I want is for you to be mine. She has me hanging on her every word, a silver tongue leading me on. It gives me a feeling that I don't deserve. She's next to none. She's next to none. I like to think she sits and curls the cord as we convey day after day. But hers is a love that I cannot afford till I've been paid, till I've been paid.
DJ ate shit so many times that I have it recorded on my GoPro. How much again? DJ, what day it is?
It's leg day.
It's leg day.
Gotta get out here.
Call me up Saturday night. Say whatever, do whatever you like. I'll be waiting on the end of the line. All I want is for you to be mine. Could be overtime to hear her voice, feeling withdrawal, needed to go.
Beautiful day, beautiful people. On the left, we got Kyle, homie DJ. We're shredded.
Holding my breath until she's made her choice once and for all, once and for all.